Alright guys, I am here. Hi, this is Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. This is part 2 of Jamaica Smiles, a feature that I do on Jamaicans.com Facebook Live ever so often. I'm actually at the Dowdie Foundation Six-A-Sid football competition, and the purpose of this competition is to raise funds for a Christmas treat for some children living in state care. At some children's home, at a particular children's home. For some reason I can't remember the name right now. But I am here with one of the support organizations, the St. Patrick Rangers, and I have here the Lieutenant, Mohammed Hanson. Welcome to Jamaica Smiles.
Hi.
All right. I'm not senior, so okay, there we go. All right. Tell me a little bit about the St. Patrick Rangers.
Well, St. Patrick Rangers, we are a non-governmental organization, which we are youth-led. So we deal with youths in the inner cities. We deal with disaster risk reductions and disaster risk management. We do training, a lot of trainings. And we do camps, we do all wonderful things.
Yes.
And you know, we have a time when we have to get the work done. Like we do community projects, like repairing house tops,
yeah,
and all clean. Well, at one point we used to clean the gullies and
nice,
so forth. So yeah, we have been around for 8 years now. And we are still going on strong.
So are you primarily based in Kingston or right across the island?
Well, we are based in Kingston right now. All the inner cities in Kingston right now.
Like, tell me some of the places.
We are based in Waterhouse, Seaview, Jewsland, New Evans, Olympic, Seabright, Waltham Gardens. We have a Seabright 2. We are almost everywhere, but we are hoping to expand further.
Yes. All right. So this feature is called Jamaica Smiles. Tell me 5 things about Jamaica that makes you smile.
5 things about Jamaica. Actually, the food. Yeah.
The food. Yes, that's one.
Our culture.
Mhm.
The people.
Yes.
That's the
3.
music.
Music. Yeah.
And the atmosphere. Jamaicans, we just love the excitement all around.
You know, funny thing, I was speaking to Dublin Castle football group, and they were saying the same thing, that the vibes. They said the same thing. Yeah. All right, so those are the things that make you smile. Tell me one thing about Jamaica that you're not so happy about.
Well, the crime and violence now. And violence.
And how you think we can fix that?
Well, we all have to unite, you know. We all have to come together and say, hey, we need to put an end to this. And we need to put an end to it like right now.
Yeah.
And once we head on that path, I feel say everything, but it needs to start at the head first.
Yeah, yeah.
So once the head started, everything will be good.
Okay. So the football tournament is actually warming up. I'm going to go back there, but I want you to get information on the St. Patrick Rangers. Where exactly are you located, and how can people get in touch with you?
Okay, we are located, the head office is at 2 Pacific Boulevard, Seaview Gardens, Kingston 11. Our phone number is 764-8371.
So that's 876-764-8371, and the other one?
564-2762.
And you're also you have a website. What's the website?
We're also at www.stpatrickrangers.org, or we are also on Facebook, St. Patrick Rangers.
All right, thank you so much, Lieutenant.
Thank you.
All right, so we're going to go, actually going closer to the match now so you can see what's going on. There's actually two matches being played right now. For some reason, I can't zoom. Uh-oh. I'm wondering if they want me to kick the ball. Or that's not allowed. What you guys think? The game is finished? Half time. Okay. All right. Who winning? Nil. All right. Okay, guys. So that has been another episode of Jamaica Smiles. I'm your host, as always, Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. And until next time, wherever I pop up again, have a good one.